Here is how to view your crypto portfolio on CoinMarketCap, step by step. First, go to CoinMarketCap or open the CoinMarketCap app on your phone. Log in or create a free account. Portfolios only sync when you're signed in. Once logged in, tap on Portfolio on the top. And from here, you can start creating your first-time portfolio. You can manually add tokens, input sales price, and update quantities, or use the Connect Wallet option to sync with MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and more. The portfolio page shows you your total value, profit loss, individual coin performance, and price changes in real time. You can also switch views between holdings, history, and watchlist, and set price alerts directly from your portfolio. That's how to view and manage your crypto portfolio on CoinMarketCap. Simple, organized, and perfect for keeping track of your gains. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.